so much fun. Holding hands and skimming stones. Had a no shell and a fist of my own, but the biggest kick I ever got was doing a thing called the crocodile rock. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike and the MOJO Day Trading team in the room. It's January 6th, Wednesday. It's 10:30 a.m. It feels like it's 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. We're done for the day. We traded like machines today. Right now, we're in SVXY at 46.55. Right now, SVXY is 47.30. Dow Tracker 171. So people take profits on that. That's our last trade right before we made the video at 10:08. Dow Tracker right now 47.30. I've already sold on every mark. Dow 175. It's 47.30. Mojo sold just for the log at 09, 19, and 29. Done. Okay, awesome trading. Let me show you the trades we did today and how we nailed this morning. What we did the first trade was we filled CNAT at 3. We sold it at 389, and then we bought it back at 377 and 70 and sold it at 84 and 402. So that was one trade here, and then the second trade done by 9:34 on CNAT. So CNAT off the open right here, you could see the spike it did. It already had traded 1 million by the open. So this was the first bar right here. We sold up into that one. Then we rebought it back on this bar and sold it up into that bar at 402. Beautiful trade. Okay. That was not the trade of the day, though. It was just a good trade. Then we did it one more time at 387 and 382 and sold at 389 and 392 for another great trade. That's 3 in a row. Then we did MEAT. MEET, which we wound up just making a little bit in MEAT. Did CNAT again at 368, 369, sold it up into the signal at 372. Then we did us 4 times. Then SVXY long, 46.50. We're going to play it through. It's now 25. So we bought it at 25, going at 39. We printed the high at 55. MEAT sold at 83. We sold at 54. Then it went to 70. Then we got Mankind at 74. Mankind average is 75. And Mankind was the trade of the day. Mankind at 75. We sold up into 82. So here's the trade on Mankind. I did a poll. On Mankind, the room, anonymously, 8 people had 1,000 shares. 7 had 5, 3 had 10, 1 had 25, and 1 had 50. Okay. I actually bought 3 times, and I showed this to the room, so I'll show it to you as well. Okay. At 9:54.29 was the first 10,000 at 747. Doubled it up, going higher. Doubled it up again, and then pressed the button and doubled it up again, and then started selling it. 3 minutes later. 9 at 76, at 78, 78, almost 79, and then the rest at 77, 78, 77, 76 for the last 2,000 shares. That was the trade of the day. So trading that one. Here's the trades for the day. We made $130 on MEAT, $1,196 on Mankind. On SVXY, did 274. Oversold too many. Wound up going short, making $12. So that was my mistake. So this is a small account, closed position right here. So you can make between 1 to 5% on your account every day. So if you have a $25,000, $30,000 account with buying power, boom, there's your goal for the day. If you have a $10,000 account with the leverage buying power, the same underneath, there's your A little bit less, but there's your goals for the day. And if you do that every single day, it really adds up. And that's all day trading. So right now, Mojo's done on the day trading side. It's 10:30 a.m. Let's do the daily poll. We did it earlier, but now we've done more trades. So it's the 6th. It's now 10:30 a.m. Mojo has done at least 12 trades. We missed Nugget this morning, but Nugget was just beautiful. An SVXY, CNAT, Meat, Mankind, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so in regards to hitting your goals, let's see how you've done from before. Before, at 9:50, we had 21 people that made their goals. 14 people paper trading made, and 5 people that haven't needed more trades, and it seems like they may have. So trying to be very transparent as always. These are the exact stocks that I picked when I picked them for the room, and everybody made money. So great job. See what some of the comments. Great plays. Mankind still going strong. You got 2,000. You're still in 77. All right, well, you should be out now because it's under 77. 50,000 shares. Yep. It's traded 7 million. You can do that. You made $1,093 on CNAT. Great job, Steve-O. And this is when I picked up, thanks to Pro Trader Rose at 9:47, gave me the signal eye on Mankind. And due to the volume recognition and the trend is my friend and the stocks in motion stay in motion, we nailed the biggest winner of the day right there. CNAT was pretty good too at the open when it went through Heinz $4. That was pretty nice too. Yes, that was pretty nice too. And let's see the trade log on that CNAT, and I'll show you. Let's see here. It's too many of them to go through. Anyway, that's some really good trading today. Glad everybody did well in the room. Vips Heinz 15. Nice. Let's take a look at that, Famucci. Vips 15.18. It sure did, my friend. Oh, yes. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Nice. Nicely done. While the other kids are rocking around the clock, we were hopping and bopping to the crocodile rock. Well, a song is shocking when your feet just can't keep still. I never knew me about time, I guess I never will. Nice. Never knew me a better time. Trading's like camp. Everybody, listen, I know we had that poll yesterday to stay open for an afternoon session, but we tried that yesterday. There's nothing happening in the afternoon. Actually, the only thing that you could do, and I've tested it, is lose money in the afternoon. So I got this mouse pad made. You see, you hit your goal for the day. You've got to shut it off. So with that said, Pro Trader Mike's done for the day. Keep it profitable. Peace, and I'll see you tomorrow. Sign off, everybody. We got 80 left. Sign off. See you later. Wait, before you go. Wait. Swing traders. I just looked. I have a lot of swing traders that are here. This was a swing trade update as well. Hold it. Got to give you an update on the swing. So swing, the market's down 200. Here's the portfolio, the model. All the people and you could see a bunch of them up here are watching. This is an alert column. If this stock should hit an alert of 5%, of 1 to 5%, you'll get an email to trigger the stock as a buy at $1.02, 55, 53, and $1.05. The watch list works awesome. Now we have the model. The model portfolio, the blues are long-term. So we're long-term on medical marijuana, OxySure, and Viringo. Viringo, we're adding back today under 250 to bring the average from 290, we're adding today down to like 280, 275. Sent out that yesterday. So we're doing that today, okay? Next time it surges back up to 290, we're going to sell it and then rebox it back. $275 average. It went to 294 last week. And some people sold up into that. So that's the box on it right here. It went to 292 just before the new year. And now we're waiting for the next surge, and that's what we're going to do on that one. Here's the chart on MGNA right here. Move this out. Here's MGNA. Looks fine and dandy right here. Here's OxySure. Just doing its thing. Hasn't made a move yet. We're waiting for some future press releases to happen on OxySure. Viringo, we're waiting for a move. Similar to many stocks that have done a 1-for-10 reverse split, which I'm watching this one right now, which is Fuel Cell. Done the same 1-for-10 reverse last couple of days. Going to start to see it make a move up right here. On Fuel Cell, same sort of thing. I have 6 other ones that I'm monitoring as well that have done a 1-for-10. AEZS, see it did a 1-for-10 right here. It was at 4 cents and it split to $4 and went to $15.70. Same sort of moves like that I'm expecting. I have 6 or 7 of them that are on the radar. Then APPS right here as well. That one. Netlist, NLST, holding that one. MAGS, MAGS. These are all Homeland Security picks. So you see the stocks traded no volume. The market's down 200. So the Ken Slim stocks, this one's traded 1,000. When the market's down, they don't really trade and they don't sell off, which is ideally perfect. And then when the market's up, they go up and they have volume that come in. Gives us liquidity. It's the greatest of both worlds. And these are the Ken Slim stocks on the system that I use. So if you want to learn about that, you can join the Swing Trade newsletter. Here's GEVO. We have GEVO right now. Waiting for GEVO to make another move back up. We sold GEVO right into that 79. We rebought back, and now we're back in it again for another move up. I really like the energy alternatives right now, the alternative fuels. We have some silver at $6.30, which we bought down here. It's doing very nice. We have CSUN, quarter position left. We sold it up here at $1.30. LIVE, we sold at $1.90 right here. It went to $1.90 right there. And now we're back in it again. We rebought that back. That was in the newsletter yesterday. LIVE right here at $1.69. Half position close. We're re-adding what we sold back under $1.60, average $1.69, and we sold it up at $1.90. LIVE. The sell on LIVE was $1.89 from $1.74. Then we have CNV at 240. Has already been to 246 today. It was up. Now it's a little back down. CNV is the other one. Stock was up at 246 today. We're looking for a move back up into this area right here on CNV. We have Atlantic Power, which is in a cup and handle right now. Looks really good to go up. Alternative energy. I told you as alternatives to oil. This is going to be a new focus this year, kind of like this one as well, which is called Atlas Energy. Looking for this one as well to come up out of this base. Little handle, little cup, little boom, boom, back up through $1 right there. And you see the market's been down the last 3 days, so the volume's very, very low. I'm looking for these on the watch list. ACI to make a turnaround on coal. Maybe coal may come back as an alternative energy, and they may be doing something with coal. It's beaten down rock bottom. And then we have Blue Links Holdings on the watch list. Blue Earth on the watch list. LIQT on the watch list, right at $1. Fuel Cell, Ballard Power, and Plug all on the watch list. And that's what we got going on. So that's a complete update for the Mojo swing. This is what we took profits in already. Eunice, which was a pick on, let's see here. Let me open up the newsletter and get it. It's actually on my Twitter. Eunice, right here. This is our first profit of the year on Eunice, which we bought at 51 cents. The stock pick was on the 20th, right before the new year. And Eunice was sold from 52, the first one at 79. The stock went to $1. Actually, some people, it went higher. Some people pre-market sold it higher. I got 89 and 83 on Eunice. And here's Eunice. This is what it did right here. It went to $1, but that day pre-market, it went higher. Got an email from couple people. They sold it. So it went to $1 on 11.9 million shares. And we bought it right here on the 20th. The 20th, 17th, 18th, 19th, right there. I came off this red bar on this first one, and that was the buy at 52. And then boom, boom, baby. 77, no, no, no. We sold it right there at $1. So we're starting off the year really nice for the swing with the Eunice profit, 3 for 3. And the other ones, this POS were up 5. This one we're up 1.7. And the other ones were Vigil we're adding today. We added Vigil, which was a big move. And here's the update yesterday. A lot of people liked the update. I'll show you what the update was. And Vigil's right here. I did some research on it. There's nothing really wrong with Vigil. They've actually got some decent prospects. So I'm not abandoning the stock. I'm just going to add some down here, and on the next surge, look to sell out of some. Here's the swing that went out yesterday. Full portfolio update right here. Every stock I went through: medical marijuana, Oxysure, Viringo, UVXY, Vigil, down 43%. Prospects are not that bad. So rather than dump it and take a loss, Mojo's going to add here at 35 and under. Look to sell back half over 40 on the way back up. It's most probably a loss. Let's see if we can make it a little better, or maybe even not. What you going to do? What you going to do? Digital Turbine, Netlist, MOC, Gevo, Silver, CSUN, every stock updated. Eunice, real nice. And that's what I do for the Mojo swing. So if you're interested in that swing, all you got to do is go to MOJO Day Trading website right here, www.mojodaytrading.com. Go to swing trading. You'll see all the updates like I'm making today, which will go up there. This is the updates. I welcome anybody to watch any of these. These go back since June of last year. I have the same thing on the day trading side. I have video recaps every month for 3 years, going back since 2013. I have the results page. Every day trade that goes in the room gets put on this sheet. I'll get this filled in right here. If you look on the bottom and scroll down, you have these tabs for previous months, and you can go back over 3 years, full transparency. And I get these things, look, you know, it's hypothetical, computer simulated performance results are believed to be accurate. You need these disclaimers in any kind of financial website. So the people say, hey, it's not real, it's hypothetical, and well, good for you. You could stay away and you don't have to take advantage of it. And I have the same thing on the swing side, my results. So if you go to the swing and you scroll down here, you go to the bottom of the page, got all the results from all the previous months. Every single pick, how we've scaled in and how we've scaled out. And if you want to join that swing, there also is a special report on the Oxysure. He was on the Matt Lauer show right here, a special report on how it saved lives. You should check this page out as well if you're interested in a long-term stock. And the swing trade is right here. This is the details of the swing trade newsletter. You get 1 month to try it for $49, and then it turns to $99 per month. Here's a detailed view of what the newsletter is all about, similar to what I'm making today, what you get with the Mojo Swing. And that's it. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep the rockin' crocodiling, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.